Our 40-inch open air display refrigerated case. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have at least 39 3/4 inches, a depth of 27 3/4 inches, and the overall height of at least 78 3/4 inches. Included will be 4 adjustable shelves. Beneath each shelf will be an LED strip, along with one on the ceiling. Total of 5 LED lights to display your products. Pull down curtain and log into the tab beneath that will protect and cover your products. On the top is the ceiling with your ETL certification and your technical information, and the measurements for each shelf will include 36 inches in length by 13 3/4 inches in depth. Those are the measurements for each of the 4 shelves. For the interior dimensions, we have at least 21.5 inches in depth and the overall height of at least 51.5 inches. Coming to the bottom will be your switches, power, and temperature control. Last but not least, the standard 110/120 voltage connection plug for this unit. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.